Hey everybody, Tim at Myers, KANATA, Chev, Buick, GMC. Thanks for joining me once again. Don't forget to like and share the video. I have tons of trucks in stock. The competition is mad at me because I'm giving such great deals. It's unbelievable. Oh, geez! Holy moly, this is crazy. They're trying to mow me down because I've got so many trucks and so many deals. Hey everybody, thanks for sticking with me. I'm okay. I made it. The competition is really mad. We have lots and lots of inventory. Trucks all the way down to the Canadian Tire Center where the Sens play. Trucks 2 deep behind me. Also, Denali Ultimate in stock, ready to go. The competition cannot keep up because we are the largest volume truck dealer in Eastern Ontario and we want to stay on top. Call, text, or email tmclean@myers.ca or 613-619-1677. Also, don't forget, I pay double the referral. Myers cut you a check for $100. I match what they give you. Don't forget to send me an email or a text. 613-619-1677 or tmclean@myers.ca. Thanks a lot, everybody. I'm okay. Thanks for the concern. I appreciate it. Looking forward to booking your next appointment for your next truck.